Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming which Dell dock you own and its connection type. Look for USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 labeling on the dock itself. Confirm the dock supports 40 Gbps data and up to 100 W power delivery when possible. Then inspect your laptop ports and use the one labeled with a battery icon or Thunderbolt symbol for full functionality. Examine the cable closely for frays or kinks before use. Finally, check the dock underside for a model sticker and firmware version for compatibility. Begin by plugging the dock power adapter into the dock and wall outlet. Verify the dock LED shows a steady light indicating full power. Use the original Dell USB-C cable that came with the dock for reliable power delivery. Connect that cable into the laptop USB-C or Thunderbolt port labeled with a battery or bolt. If a Thunderbolt security prompt appears on your laptop screen, accept the device to enable data and display functionality. Wait 15 to 30 seconds for devices to enumerate fully. After physical connection, install or update Dell dock drivers and firmware from Dell Support Assist. Reboot the laptop if prompted to complete driver installation correctly. Connect monitors to the dock using DisplayPort or HDMI ports on the dock. Prefer DisplayPort 1, 4, or HDMI 2, 0 to achieve 4K at 60 Hz when the dock supports it. Open Windows Display Settings to identify monitors and choose Extend or Duplicate modes. Adjust scaling to 100%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.